Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Carla. So today we're gonna make fossils out of salt dough. So you're gonna need some dinosaurs to do the prints. You're gonna need a bowl. You're gonna need some warm water, salt, and flour. And a cookie cutter or a circle. If you have a circle, that would probably be the best. So I'm only gonna make half of the recipe. So I need 1 cup of flour. So I have my half a cup measuring spoon. So if I need 1 cup and I have half a cup, I'm gonna need 2. Let me just get this out. Oops. 1, 2. So I have my 1 cup in here. Put my lid back on so I don't spill any more. You guys can't see, but I spilled it all over the table. Okay. And now I need half a cup of salt. So I have my salt. Alright. Right. Pour my salt in. And I'm gonna need a half a cup of warm water. This water is still really steamy. Very hot. So to mix it, you're gonna need a spoon or a spatula. Something so you don't get your hands, so you don't burn your fingers. So I have my spatula. Stir. So you don't want the consistency really watery. You almost want it like a Play-Doh. Now we made these during Christmas, our salt dough ornaments. It's the same thing. Stir it up. So this is still really sticky, so it's too sticky. See that? Not quite Play-Doh-y yet. So we're gonna need more flour. Probably like a 1/4 cup more is what I'm gonna try first. I don't wanna add too much flour. Oh, I think that worked. Whew. Nope, not enough. But close, we're really close. Now as you mix it up, even though your water was really warm, it's gonna start to cool off because your ingredients, the rest of your ingredients are not warm. Alright. Still a little sticky. And again, I forgot to cover my hands in flour, which is why it's stuck to me again. But I think we got it this time. I think that this is perfect. Okay. Take my dough. A little bit extra flour. Alright. So the salt dough recipe, after you make your fossils, you can put it in the oven and warm it up, or you can just let it sit for a few days. Whichever one works better for you. I've done both. This recipe works great both ways. Alright. So I have my salt dough, and you see it's more like a Play-Doh consistency now. You don't want to add too much flour, then it won't work. So I'm going to use my dinosaur cookie cutter. The thicker the salt dough is, the longer it's going to take to dry. Push them out. Alright. So I made a little dinosaur. And you can use a Play-Doh rolling pin or your Play-Doh cutters for this also. You don't have to use cookie cutters. Then push it out a little bit more, make it a little thinner. I'm going to use a cup. If you don't have one, a cup, a glass cup works just as well. See here. Alright, I'm going to put the rest of my dough aside. And then I'm going to take whichever dinosaur I want to use. I'm going to use their footprints. I want the Brachiosaurus. Or is it a Apatosaurus? It's an Apatosaurus. See how his face is rounded? That makes him a Apatosaurus. Alright, so you see my dinosaur feet. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna use the Ankylosaurus, which I know I say wrong. Put his feet in the dinosaur one. Alright, you guys see that a little better? I don't know. Alright, and then you have to let them dry. And then after they dry, you can paint them. And you can put magnets on them and stick them to the fridge. You can put holes on the top before they dry if you want them as ornaments. However you want to do it. I might make mine magnets because I need more magnets. Right, guys? And that's it. So whenever you put them in the oven, you want to have mommy or daddy help you. And it's at 350, and you do it for about 10 to 20 minutes at a time. You just want to be careful about how thick they are. Alright, bye guys. I'll see you later.